Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and scroll all the way down to the sounds and vibration. Now just here you can see the ringtone volume panel, and just to unmute the ringtone you should swipe this volume panel to the right side with your finger. And also we got a second way how we can do that, just by using our volume buttons. Press up or down volume button, and here you will see the just volume panel. Click on the three dots, and by swipe up this volume panel we can also unmute our device ringtone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.